This podcast website was created with WordPress without writing any single line of code. And let me refresh this website, because in this video I'm going to show you how to design this modern podcast and radio website using WordPress without writing any single line of code. So if you are into podcast, or maybe you are trying on venturing into podcast as a business or radio station as a business, then this particular website is what you can create for your business. Take for instance, you can see this particular section. Now I'm going to show you how to add your own YouTube videos in this place. You see this is a YouTube video. I'll show you how you can add your own YouTube video here. So now let's scroll down again. You can see this particular place. So if somebody asks about your business or your client business, they can be able to provide this particular their website. So I'm going to show you how you can design this particular website using WordPress. You don't need to write any single line of code. You don't need to have any programming knowledge. All you have to do is just drag and drop. So I'm teaching you everything, how you can change the typography, text, link, and colors in this particular website and turn it into your own website. So if you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. So now this is my WordPress dashboard. So if you don't have this particular WordPress dashboard, I made a video on how you can purchase your own domain and hosting and install your WordPress, just like what you are seeing right now. You can see this is WordPress. So if you want to have this particular a WordPress dashboard and you don't have it currently, check the link in this video description. I'll put a link to that video in this video description. So if you're already here and have your dashboard, then let's proceed. Now, the first thing we need here is to change our theme. So let me just show you what I'm trying to say. So let's visit our website in a new tab. So this is our website. This is our website currently. So now let me go back. Now, first of all, let's change the appearance of this website. So click on appearance, then you click on themes. So you click on themes, then these are the themes that come by default. But we're not going to use all these themes. By default, this is the theme that I'm currently using. So you click on add theme. So we change this particular theme to our preferred choice, the theme that will work with our website. So now what we're going to do here now, we're going to install a theme called Hello Elementor. So if you didn't find it here, just search for it here, Hello Elementor, then install it. Then after installing, activate. So once we are done activating, so let's go back to our website, then we refresh. You can see changes. So now the next thing we are going to do here now is we are going to install the necessary plugins that will help us achieve this particular goal. Plugins are the help us achieve some functionality in WordPress website. So just come over to plugin here, click on add plugin. Just hover over and click on add plugin. Then the first plugin we're going to search for is Elementor. So we search for Elementor. So this is the first plugin. This is the page builder plugin. So this is Elementor website page builder. 10 million active users. So install. Then after installing, don't activate. Then the second plugin is template kit import. template kits, import. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. See it here. So template kit import. Click on install. Then after installing, you come to this particular section and click on installed plugins. Then once you are done, you mark all of them. Just mark all of them. Click on bulk action. Click on activate. Click on apply. Then everything has been activated. So this particular method help you bypass onboarding screen for this particular plugin, Elementor plugin. So once you are done, then it's time for us to create our pages. So in this video, I'm going to create only the home page. So you are going to use the process I used in creating the home page to create other pages. So you come to pages, you click on add page. There are two ways. So you can click here directly. I'll show you the second way to add page once I am done. So we are going to create the home page. This is the home page. Come over here, you see this particular page, the root template. Click on it and change it to Elementor full width. Then click on publish. Publish. So then we go back. So let's go back. Then let me just click on all pages. Then you can equally add page by clicking add page here. Once you come to all pages, you add page here. But currently this home page is not yet our home page. So for us to make it our home page, you come over here, this setting, and click on reading. So once you click on reading, you can see that this particular our home page is our latest post. So let me show you, give you instance. This is a blog post, this default blog post that comes with every WordPress website. So what we are going to do here is that you are going to change it to a static page and select the home page as the page, then click on save changes. So once we are done, then let's go to this. So let's refresh this our website. So refresh. You can see now the post has disappeared, which means that the home page is now our home page. So now let me just show you another thing. Just come to all pages. Then you can see now home page. You can see something written here, front page, which means that our home page is successfully our front page. So if your own is not like this, it's showing front page, it means it is not yet your home page. So you go and do what we just did currently. Now after this, then I'm going to show you how you can create your menu, because the reason why I have to show you right now, we will need it in the when we will start our design, and I don't want to forget showing you how to create this particular menu. So for you to create this particular menu, click on appearance, click on menus. So now in my own case, I've created menus. That is where I'm going to see this particular thing. In your own case, if you already have a menu and you want to create a new menu, click on here, create new menu. So once you click on, this is what you're going to see. Everything is going to be blank. Then let's say because if you check here now, I have two menus created. So let me create another one. I'll delete it. So let me say, let's say I want to create this menu. Let's say let's say podcast. So this is the name of the menu. You click on create menu. So once you click on create menu, then for you to add content to this menu, you just click on this particular home page. Now take for instance you want to add external link. So we want to add external link. So let me just use this particular home page as the external link I want us to use. So this particular thing I haven't shown it in my video before. So you want to add external links. So let's say you're going to click on this custom link, then you paste the link, the text, let's say services, let's call it services. So you click on add to menu, then this particular page is this one, add to menu. You see we have two. You want to add another link, maybe a link to your other things that is external. So you add this link again. So let's say, let me call this thing pricing. So you click on add to menu. So I seen this particular menu is 3. So in other videos that I have been doing, I used to leave only the home page. That is why I say it is good to follow this channel, because the more I create new videos, the more I change and add more things that you don't know before. So once you are done, you click on save, and boom, your menu has been saved. Now after this, then it's time for us to start the design. So you hover over these tools, you are going to see template kit. Click on it, then it's time for us to import our template, because this particular template I already have it. So we are going to import it so we can recustomize it to suit our own businesses. So this particular, I put the link in the video description where you can get this particular template. It's not for free, but it is worth it. So click the link in this video description and go and get this particular template. And once you get it, this is how you are going to upload it. It's either you click here or you click here. So in my own case, I'm going to use any of them. So I'll pause this video and import it. So because I don't want you to see my video, my desktop gallery. So I'm going to pause the video. So now you see it is showing processing. Once you upload it, it will start showing processing. It will take time depending on the strength of your network, and it will upload. So if you have a very strong network, it will upload. You can see it now. You can see it. So you can see that this is actually the default website that I showed to you at the beginning of this video. You can see it. So it is now in our dashboard where we can do with it whatever we want. So now before you touch anything here, I want you to do something. You see this attention, you have to make it disappear, and for you to make it disappear, you have to install all of them, the required kit plugins. It will now install other plugins. You know, we had only 2 plugins before. After this, we are going to have more than 2 plugins. So let's do it. I'll show you. So it won't take time. This doesn't, it will install and activate it immediately. So after, just click on close. Boom, you can see the notification has disappeared. Now after this, again, before you do any other thing, I want you to do something for me. Make sure you install the global kit style. Import it first. Boom, congratulations, it has been imported. So once you import this particular global style kit, we are done. We are good to go. It is time for us to now design our website. Now for us to design website, I have to show you that this that we had an increase in plugins through this particular template. So hover over plugin and click on installed plugins. Then once it loads, you can see we have more than 2 plugins. So we installed template kit and Elementor. Now we have element kit, jet kit for Elementor, metform, and ultimate add-on for Elementor. So we have it. So now let's go to pages, all pages. Click on all pages. Now click on edit home page. Click on edit home page. Then you click on edit with Elementor. So you click on edit with Elementor. Then it will start loading Elementor page builder. So this is what we are going to use to now redesign this particular template to be ours. You can change everything. I use this thing for my clients website. I just get it as the framework, change everything, change typography, change images, and change text, it will totally look different. If they bring this default template and show you the website I recreated with it and tell you that these are the same thing, you will say no, because I have mastered the act of editing and changing this particular template. So I have a bit slow network, so like let me show you something. There is something, that's the one icon that is missing here. Without that icon we cannot edit. So I'm going to refresh this page for the icon to appear, and I'll pause this video because I don't want this video to be too long. So let me refresh this page. So now you can see this is the icon I'm talking about. So the previous one we didn't find this icon. So if you didn't see this icon, refresh your Elementor page builder, then you click on this icon, because that icon houses this particular template. So now click on view installed kit. So then this is our kit. So now let's click on insert template. Click on insert template. So it will start importing this. So 3%. So I'll pause this video once it is done importing, then we proceed. So now we have imported this successfully. So this is it, you can see. So this is in our dashboard. So before I scroll down, let me publish it and show you in our main website. So you click on publish, because I want us to work on editing this particular good. So now let's go to the website. So let's refresh the website again. So you can see this is our website. So the main website has been ported to our website. So let me just go back to the Elementor. Now this particular image here, click on it. If you want to change this image, you're already seeing it. So this is the image, so you can change it. Now the background image is, you click on this particular one here. If you come here, you're going to see two boxes. So the one behind it, you click on style. So once you click on style, I don't think it is here. Let me check the background overlay. So it's not in the background overlay. So I think let's check this particular box. It must be somewhere here. So it's not here. Let me check. Okay. Sorry, I made a mistake. I think I mistakenly deleted this thing. So let me pause the video. So now, so I've shown you how you can change this particular image. Just click on it, come to style. Sorry, the content, you can see it over here. So you click on this image to change it. So let's assume I want to change, but remember you're going to design your image in a similar form. So the best thing to do is to download this particular image. Maybe you upload this default template, and once you publish it, you come to your website and you download this image to download the size, so that you know the size. You create it with the same size and give it a very nice design that you want. That is a transparent background image. So the image is transparent background. So let me refresh. The image is transparent background. So my network is actually giving me a little bit issue. So before, let's just go back to this particular page. So, or let me just this I need to show you something before we proceed. So this page must load. It must load before we proceed. So now it must load. Good. So you see this particular image, you right click, you can see save image as, then you download it, after which you go to image properties and get the dimension of this particular image. Then you create your own image that will suit this particular place. But let's assume I want to change the image, so I'm choosing image that I'm using my media library. These are images in the website, so let me just find one, maybe this particular one. Let me put it there because it has similar look. You can see transparent background image. Now the image behind is, let me show you what they did here. They layered this particular image background. This particular place has 4 layers of containers. So now for us to do it easily, you see this particular container, you click on it, then you come to advanced, you unlink this particular place, then you add the top margin to 100. The reason why we're adding the top margin to 100 is just for us to draw it down. So once we draw it down, then that is this particular one. So then this is, we click on another box. You can see now this particular box, come to style, come to overlay, background overlay. That is this particular image behind. So let's choose another image to replace. I'm trying to show you the layers, so let me choose another image to replace that. So I will choose image of let me just choose this image. No, this is not good, but regardless, let's just select it and see what will happen. So, but you have, like I said, you have to be checking the image sizes. So I just choose it, so you see it over here, so you can see the size. Fine. Now it is now for us to change this main background image. So you click on it, you click this container again, so you draw it down. You can see we have 2 containers down already. You click this container. So okay, yes, I've changed it, so it is the same container. So now this particular container, this particular place, put this image. You will now come to the advanced, you come to the margin, then you add it to, let's say, 80. So you have to change different margins so you know which one is which. It draw it down. Now this is the final one. So click here, you click on background overlay, and this is the main background. So this is the main background, so you can choose it. So let me say I want the background overlay. No, this is an image, so let's find another image that we can use. You can see this particular image is in portrait mode, so I don't suggest we change it because we don't have any portrait image to replace that image for now. So we are going to leave it as it is, but you get the idea of what I'm trying to say, so you can change it. Now once you change it, now it is time for us to return this particular designs to normal. So the one of 80, clear it to 0, it will turn back. Then the one of 100, you can see it, margin 100, you return it to normal. You can see now, let's publish it. This is how you can edit it. You can see what I'm trying to say. Let's publish it. This is becoming very, very interesting. So let's go to our homepage. Let's refresh. So you can see I've literally changed a lot of things just now. I've literally changed a lot of things. So let's assume I had a portrait image. I can change that background image to blue, and somebody looking at this particular website won't recognize this particular way. So let's work on it again. So we come here, then here now I'm going to change this background image to, you can see the color, background color. Just click here, background color. So let me just make it something dim like this. So that is the background color. Then if I want to change the overall background color, click on this place, then style, background type, background color. Let me just, you can see the main background color is changing, so let me make it something like this. So you are getting the point. You are seeing where I'm arriving. So I duplicated this image, so I have to delete it. So just remove it. That's how you can remove any any page. So now this particular place, you click on it. If you have partners in your businesses, click on it. Then you come here, you click on this small icon. Then you're going to see images, image. So now let me tell you how you can add this image here. Add to gallery. Then you select add to gallery. Then you select any image from your media. You can upload. I forgot to show you. If you don't have it in your media, just click upload, click on select file, then you upload it. So but I have, let me just be using some sample images. So let's say I want to use this. Then I click on add to gallery. You can see it here. Then if I want to remove this, you minus. Then you click on insert gallery, and guess what is going to happen? You can see now. Let me show you what is going to happen over here. Boom, this icon is here. So this is how you can add your partner's icon. Remember, any of these things, just go to your main website, download it, see the size, recreate it in this particular size. All of them must be in one size dimension, or pixel as they may call it. Then you use it so that it will be uniform. That is how the designs work. Then you scroll down. Let's talk about this particular image. Just click on it, you change it. Now here, now you want to add link to your video. You see this particular icon, you click on it. Then once you click on it, so sorry, you see, just click on it here. Then you can see display play button. You can change display icon to any icon you want. But here is there's something I want to show you. I want to show you how you can add the link. So you can see here now, video type YouTube. Now in case it is show you, don't click on self-hosted or Vimeo, just click on YouTube, because in your own case it might be different. Then this is where you paste your YouTube link. So you go to that your YouTube video that you want to feature here, put the link here, you copy the link and paste here. Then this background image, you click on it, then click on style. See this image, the featured thumbnail of that YouTube, recreate it in this size and put it behind this particular text. So when people come, they click on it, it takes them direct to that video. You can see it now. So the same way you're going to do to this particular one here. Now you click here. No, this is the spacer. So this is the spacer. You click on this particular box here. So let's click on it. I think that is where the link is. Then the style, you can see it here. So this particular box is where that houses this video. And when you click on it, you see this video link. This is the video link. You can see I highlighted the video link. Paste your YouTube video link here. So now when you paste it there, then your video, automatically your video will start previewing just like this particular, because this particular, it shows that it will show your first 10 seconds and ending your first 70 seconds. You can see it here. So it will be repeating it over and over and over and over and over, and it is repeating. So here now it say play on mobile, so it is repeating it. That is how it will be showing. So that's how you can change it. So the different, so here now is this particular place. Let's see, click on edit. This particular place is the image. So let's go to style. This is the image carousel. So they added image carousel here. So you add 2 image carousel just like you did in this particular place. So because this is called image carousel, so I don't know whether I pronounced it very well, but you get the idea of what I'm trying to say. So where am I? So here now, so once you put it, you see the transition seconds, minutes is 6,000. So that's the time it will stay. Then it will change to the next. So you are the one to create this image and add it the same way. You can see this image, boom, add it. So that's how you can insert it, just like the one I showed you. Then this particular time, click on it to change it. You can see the time here. Then this battery bar, You click on it, see it is an icon. You can change another icon. So you click on icon library and you're going to see another icon. Let me say this full bar. You click on insert. So the battery bar is also full. So the same way, click on this icon here, see your YouTube video link, change it. For this, the background image, the YouTube thumbnail, that is what we are going to put here in the background. See it, click on style, see this image, change it. You do it the same way to do this text, you change it to any text of your choice. The title of the podcast, the series of the podcast. Here you can click here to change the name of this thing. Once you click here, you change the name here. Let me say around, let me remove the second one. Then here now you can click here. The second one is how many minutes? The wrote 45. Let me say 55. That's 55. So you can see it. So you use the same way to edit it. Here in pricing, just anything you click, edit. Anything you click, edit. You can see it. That's just it. The button, you click on it. Here you can see this place, the root hash. You can put link. So yes, you can put a link. When people click here, it goes directly to that link for payment. So payment link. So they go. So you can click here to add the what is included. So you can see basically everything. You can see. So I've already shown you how you can do this type of thing. You just click anything here, you change it. If you want to change the background color of this testimony, you click here, click on the style. You can see the background is white. Let's change it to something, let's say something like this. So you can see. So that's how you can actually change the background color. The same way you can change any background color and continue and continue. Here now we populate with blog post. So once you start publishing blog article, it will start populating here and we are good to go. Then we publish, then we are done. So you change every text to relate to your business, to your podcast, to the story, to relate any section you don't want, you just cancel it. So let's check the edited version and let's refresh, and you can see that everything we did just changed. You can see the header background color changed. So you already know the type of your brand color. You can see you can see it. So from the header already you know that. You can see this one, we changed it. And which other thing did we change? I think we changed this battery bar here, and we changed this to 55 minutes. So that is how we can actually edit it. So then the next thing we are going to do is we are going to go back. Once we are done editing, make sure you are done editing the home page. You use the same way to edit other pages. So you will create a service page, you create other pages that is necessary for this your podcast. Then you use the same procedure to edit all of them. But here now we are going to go for the header and footer. So we need to design the header and footer of this particular website. So we need to design the header and footer of this particular website. So we have to go back to the home page of the website. So just go back to the home page, the dashboard, sorry. So we'll have to go back to the dashboard of this website. My network is a bit slow. So we're done. So now for us to design this header and footer, just over this element kit, click on header footer. So you click on header footer. So this way we create the header of this website and the footer of this website. Because I don't want this video to be too long, even though it's getting long already. So you click on add new. Here now write it header. You can write it any name. The only thing is make sure this type is header and this place is entire website. Mark this thing to activate, then click on edit content. So once you publish it, it will be edited. So it will now show us Elementor page builder for us to design the header. So it will show us Elementor page builder for us to design the header. If you have watched this video to this point, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. So you can see now, so just like we did in the home page, you click here, then click on view installed kit, then we are looking for header. So looking for header, all that thing, sheet, insert. So insert template. This one doesn't take time because it's not it doesn't have much thing. So now you can see now, why did we created our menu before? See it has populated here. Assuming you don't have any menu created, this particular place will be blank. So that is why I said let's create the menu first. So you just click here, you can see this is the menu, podcast, you select it. Now let me show you one thing. Let me choose test menu. You can see that test menu is going to show you. Let me just wait. Okay, test menu doesn't have any menu. You can see it. Then let me check menu. It doesn't have any content. This is what we are going to see if we didn't create any menu. But because podcast has content, it will populate. Are you seeing it? Then you click here to change your logo. Ready? I'm sure your logo is ready. You change it. Then this particular search icon, this is search icon. You can click on icon library to find another search icon. Let me say, let's use this one. This one is more bold. So then the background, you can, let me just change the color of the background to no, this background is too okay. Let me make it, yeah. So you click on publish. Click on publish, then come to the website, refresh the website. So we refresh the website, scroll back up, you can see, so our header is ready. So you can also change the header background image by clicking here and then click on style. Then you can see background type here. Then you can add background image. So let's make it something like this. I think you already have your colors ready, your color code. So you have it ready. I'm just giving you instances on how you can do it. So new network. So I think this color is nice. So let's publish. Good. Published. So let's refresh. You can see this now. Let's refresh. You can see the background color of the header changed. So you are seeing this color fainty because that is it. So if you want to even change the color of that, maybe you change your background, you want to change the color of this text, you click on this menu, then click on style. And here is where you see text color is black, not that pure black. So you can see, let me make it pure black. You can make it white if white is what suits you. You can see, I seeing that everything is changing. Just publish it. So then let's refresh. It's supposed to appear. I think it's supposed to appear here. So far it changed here, it will appear, just that you need to catch. Let's refresh again. It will appear. Just exercise the little patience. Let's work on the footer. So we are going to work on the footer, then after which we refresh it and see what happened. So this is the typography. You see, okay, this one is for the typography. That's the text color, which is white. So publish. So if you didn't change, you work on the footer before the footer is done, it will catch. So it didn't change, no problem. Let's go back and work on the footer. So let's go back, then click on here, then this place, right footer, then type footer, then click on activate, click on edit content. So it will load the Elementor page builder. Once your network is very fast, it won't take time. So that icon is not here, so no need of waiting for this. So refresh. So like I told you, once you didn't find that icon, you refresh the page. You can see the icon is here. So you wait for this particular one to finish loading before you start importing anything. So you wait. It's loading. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. Share this video also, and if you encounter any difficulty, drop it in the comment section. I respond to all the comments. So click here, then view installed kit, scroll down to the footer, then insert template. So insert footer template. So the template has been inserted successfully. You publish it. Then here now, let's do the editing. Here now you add logo. So let me choose the logo that our header logo. Okay, we don't have the header logo, is not here. So let me just choose logo, this thing. You can see I changed it. So you click here, you change the text here, click on this home, then you paste the link to home page here. I think I still have the link. Yes, paste it here. Then the same way, you just click here, you click on the pages, then you change the name. Maybe this is services, just write services. You see, write services. Come over here, you paste the link of the service page. So you use the same way to edit others, the same way to edit this, and then here you can just click on it, see the icon. Let's select another icon. Let's use this icon, insert it, changed. Then you can see the phone number here, change it, and the text here, change it or delete it, the same way you use for all this. Then forward, this particular one is then you can change it to any name of your choice. Let's say my podcast. So you can write it there, then you can change it. So you can change it to, let's say, copyright. So you can see 20 26 copyright. Just copyright text. Just you can copy. Just go to Google and copy it and paste here, so that art will come over here if you want it. So you publish. Then let's change the background color. So instead of clicking here, you click here. Click style. See the color. Let's put something good. I love this color. I always love this color. So once we are done, click on this particular website, refresh. Then we scroll down. You can see everything in place. So this is how we are able to design a podcast and radio websites without writing any single line of code, and rebranded it to our website. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you will be notified. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.